vegan mom. How is everybody doing? Well, now before I carry on, I would like you to like and subscribe so that anytime I come up on YouTube, you know all about it. Now, if you don't know who I am, I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, and I'm a mum. I've had a really busy week. I've had a wonderful time, but I'm not going to get into that now. It's going to be all very self-explanatory. So if you hang on in there, watch my recipe, then later on you'll see what I've been up to this week, which has been fantastic. I've been singing, I've been recording, all that good stuff. Now, if you've been following me and if you've subscribed, you know that I bought myself an air fryer and I've gone air fryer mad. And I made two lovely dishes today. I wanted to make a vegan dish that was fishy. I made another recipe with the leftovers. I'll show you. Anyway, today I wanted to make something in the air fryer again. I used this banana blossom, which is the blossom that comes from the banana tree, and I made it into a fishy dish. It's so quick, it's so easy, you'll be eating in 15-20 minutes. Let me show you how I made my vegan breaded fish dish, and then what I did the leftovers. So guys, here is our banana blossom, yeah, and we're gonna make it into our own fish. So I've drained our banana blossom, and now I'm just going to put it on a bit of tissue. Just going to dry our banana heart blossom. Let me just show you what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and the texture is really good to sort of make that fishy texture. Now we're going to make the powder it's going to go in. So what have I got here? There's a plastic bag. I've got some cornmeal, but the fine type, a cup, and I've got a cup of flour. We want a nice fishy taste. I've got some Nori seaweed. This is the stuff, and I have cut up the seaweed really small. We're going to put that in there. Some seasoning, some black pepper, onion, salt or granules, which one have you got, some smoked paprika, some all-purpose seasonings, of course the turmeric, which is going to give it its lovely colour. I've got some Himalayan black sea salt. And we're just going to mix everything up in here like that, and then literally we're going to put our banana blossoms in here. We're going to coat it. Make sure it's lovely and coated. I think it's all coated. Now that our banana blossom's lovely and coated, we're just going to set it aside. And just let it settle. Yeah, and we're going to leave that. We're just going to spray with some oil, and then we're going to just place them in our air fryer. Well, can you see that? Giving it lots of space. I'll turn them over, and then I'm going to spray the other side. And once again, it's going to go in our air fryer. Or let's say 10 minutes. So guys, you know that I don't like to waste anything, so our flour mixture, add a few more extra ingredients. I'm going to add a few peas, some sweet corn. I'm going to mix that together. Just going to add some water. And I'm going to sort of make these come together. And now I'm going to make them into fish logs. That's my name for them. Oh. Fish log. And as usual, we're just going to spray a little bit with oil. Let's see how our fish is going. Oh, look at that. Look at that blossom. Banana blossom. All fishy tasting. Banana blossom, all fishy looking and tasting. Oh, beautiful. Look at that, guys. Air fryer magic. As you know, we've sprayed these. We're going to put these in. They look gorgeous. Can you see that? And I'm going to give it about 10 minutes. Oh, look at that. Oh, they puffed up. And they look and smell divine. This is what happened this week. Mentioned that I was nominated for some awards. Well, the award ceremony is next Saturday, the 17th of April 2021, and because of the COVID, of course I'm not going to be there live, so I have recorded my performance, and this is what happens. So many rainy days, and guys, I'm here practicing for the groundbreaking awards.
So I've got the right control for this.
Oh, brilliant.
So
Behind the scenes.
On my face, what does it look like? Okay, we're thinking about doing the brick now because the backdrop crease doesn't look so good. We're going to sort the lights out, but we're thinking maybe this is what we're dealing with, just the brick. Hope to see you there. That was a sneak preview, but if you follow me on Insta and Facebook, you're going to see lots more behind the scenes action. Now, this is the dish. Isn't it lovely? I just added some potatoes with it, a little bit of carrot, and then this is our lovely, lovely, lovely dish. It is so nice. So I'm going to get myself a fork. I actually tried this earlier. You know what this banana blossom actually tastes like? It reminds me of the jackfruit family. Really, 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 really delicious. Let me go in. I'm going in, guys. Oh, I'm going in. It won't let me pick it up. I can't use my hands. It'd be really uncouth, right? There you go. Really delicious, really fishy from the nori. It's gorgeous, guys. Really give this a try. Another air fried dish. It's really, really delicious, guys, and tasty, and it looks quite beautiful. So now, our other little dish that we created here, really lovely. It's a bit like dumplings, really. I actually think it could do with a little bit of sauce. But look, it looks lovely. I'm going to bite it. It's very crunchy. That is a texture, guys. It's beautiful. So that could be a little side dish, and it'd be lovely. So guys, as you can see, I've been very busy this week. As usual, guys, don't forget to check out my performance at the groundbreaking Soul Awards on the 17th of April. It's going to be fantastic. Go to YouTube or Facebook. They're going to be streaming it live, even though it's going to have lots of pre-recorded performances like my own. So guys, for healthy vegan options, let me hold the other one. I'm your girl. I'm your girl.